Alright, this is my harmonic minor scale lesson number 2. This lesson doesn't have any actual applications. We're just going through 5 different scale patterns of this. You can get the written notation for this at my website, markweinguitarlessons.com. We're going to start off, we're using the cage system roots, although these aren't going to completely and neatly fall into that root pattern system. The way the scale lays out, because of the really wide interval between the 6th and 7th notes, there's a couple of ways you could finger each of these. And I've got these organized a certain way. The last lesson we had some different ones. And we could go around about different ways of fingering this. But for right now, this just seems to be the direction I want to send you. So we're going to start off with our first root pattern out of the cage system. It's the C. So root on the 5th string, 7th fret. We're going to start on our 4th finger. That's the E. And then we're going 4th string, 4th fret. On that string, we're going to go 5th fret and 7th fret. So we're going E, F sharp, G, A. And then on the 3rd string, we're going to go B and C, which is the 4th and 5th frets. All right, and there's only going to be 2 notes on that string. And then on the next string, we're going to go D sharp to E, which is the 4th and 5th frets, and then 7 and 8, which is the F sharp and G, and then on the 1st string, 5, 7, and 8. Alright, so we're going up, root, and then we're going 4, 5, 7, 4, 5 on the next string, 4, 5, 7, 8. So we go 2 notes here, and then 4 notes here. And then the 1st string, we've got 5, 7, 8. We go back down the scale the same way we came up. When we get to the root, we're going to get the other notes in that position. 6th fret on the 5th string, 3rd fret. There's our really wide stretch right there. Then we're going 7, 5, 3 on the 6th string. Back up. And then 3 and 6 and 7 on the 5th string. We could just as easily do that right there, but one of the things I'm trying to do is get you guys to start using your whole hand and making the wider stretches right there. All right, so if I go up this, when we get to the bottom root, we're going to keep going down. Is our first pattern. Okay. The next pattern, the A, or our number 2 pattern from the cage system, we're starting here, 1st finger on the very same root instead of the 4th finger. Now on the 7th fret, 5th string, and on that 5th string we're going to go 7, 9, 10, and then 7, 9, 10 on the 4th string, and then here's our string with 2 notes, which is going to be the 8 and 9 on the 3rd string, and then we're going 7, 8, and 10 on the 2nd string, and then here's our wide stretch, 7, 8, and 11 on the 1st string. Alright, so we're going to go up one more time doing the same thing. 7, 9, 10 on the 5th, 7, 9, 10 on the 4th, 8 and 9 on the 3rd string, 7, 8, and 10 on the 2nd string, and then 7, 8, and 11 on the 1st string. You go backwards, go back down it, and then when you get to that root, the notes below that root in that position are on the 6th string, 11, 8, and 7, and then back up. Alright, so when we practice this, you want to do this 8th notes, triplets, 16th notes, all your subdivisions of time, like we've done in earlier lessons. You go up, come back down, but always start and end on the root, because that's going to actually get the sound of the scale in your head. If you start on the lowest note here, what happens? It starts sounding like a Phrygian dominant mode. which is a whole different sound that we're going to get out of these notes we're going to talk about later. Okay, that's pattern 2. Pattern 3, we're starting on the 12th fret, 6th string. Right? Here's your roots here. 12th fret, 6th string. 9th fret on the 3rd string, 12th fret on the 1st string. Those are all the E's or the roots in the scale pattern. Right, so we're starting on that E, 12th fret, 6th string, and then on the 5th string we're going 9, 10, 12, and then on the 4th string we're going 9, 10, 13. There's your wide stretch. And then on the 3rd string we're going 9, 11, 12. On the 2nd string we're going 10, 12, 13, and then on the 1st string we're going 11, 12, 14. So root on the 6th string, 12th fret, and then 5th string, 9, 10, 12, 4th string, 9, 10, 13, 3rd string, 9, 11, 12, 2nd string, 10, 11, 13, then 1st string, 11, 12, and 14. You can always get that 11th fret on the 6th string and then back. Alright, the next one, and this is actually kind of like our home position one, root pattern number 4, where you've got your roots on the 12th fret, 6th string, 14th fret, 4th string, and then 1st fret, or 12th fret, 1st string. We're going to start here, and we're going on the 6th string, 12, 14, 15, and the same thing on the 5th string, 12, 14, 15, and then our string with 2 notes is the 4th string with 13, 14, and then the 3rd string goes 11, 12, 14. Then we have another string with 2 notes on it, which is going to be the 2nd string with 12 and 13. And then we're going to play 4 notes here on the 1st string, 11, 12, 14, and 15. Let me do it one more time, make sure it's all in frame. The last one we're going to do, we can either do it up here, or we're going to do it down here in the 2nd position, which might be a little bit better for right now, because then you'll see how it connects back to the 1st position. The roots here, 2nd string, 4th fret, and 4th string, 2nd fret, and 2nd string, 5th fret. This is our D, or the 5th pattern from Caged. All right, we're starting here. Second finger, the 2nd fret, 4th string. We're going 2, 4, 5 on the 4th string, 2, 4, 5 on the 3rd string, 4 and 5 on the 2nd string. This is our string with 2 notes. As you notice, all these scales have them when we have that really wide interval between the 6th and the 7th. And then on the 1st string, we're going 2, 3, 5. Right? So we've got 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then 2, 3, 5. When we come back down, you've got, from that original root on the 4th string, 2nd fret, you're going 2, and then you're going 1st fret on the 4th string, 3rd, and then 2nd frets on the 5th string, and then 5, 2, 5, 3, and then 2 on the on the 6th string, and then back up. So going up and down that scale, there you go. Those are the 5 root patterns we're going through today for the harmonic minor scale. Next lesson we'll probably start in with doing some applications of this, maybe over a minor blues as opposed to the heavy metal shredding you would expect this scale to work out in.